In this video, I'm going to show you a simple and easy way to make your own holster wedge. What is up, guys? If you are new here, my name is Will Workman, and I'm here to give you the skills, the tools, and the mindset to protect yourself and your family. Before we jump right into it, if you are new to concealed carry or you're just trying to find a better way to conceal, then I want to give you something that will really help you out, and that's my free guide to concealment. It's basically everything that I wish I knew when I first started carrying a gun, and I want you to have it for free. So go check that out in the description down below. All right, so if you don't already know, a holster wedge is a small piece of foam or sometimes rubber that's wedge shaped. Go figure. A holster wedge goes at the bottom of your holster between the kydex and your body. A holster wedge will not only make a big difference in your concealment, but it's pretty incredible the level of comfort it can provide. Without a wedge, the gun can stick out away from your body, making it pretty hard to conceal. A holster wedge pushes the rear of your gun in toward your body. The wedge should also push the handle of the gun in towards your body. All right, let's make one. All you're gonna need is a flat surface, a sharp knife or a razor blade, Velcro if you wanna be able to take the wedge on and off, a hacksaw. This is optional. You can just use a long razor blade or the sharp knife if you want to. And then of course a piece of foam. Now some holsters will actually come with a foam block to make your own wedge. My holster is a KSG Armory holster and it came with 2 foam blocks. If you're interested in a holster, then check them out in the description down below. But if your holster didn't come with a foam block, then that's totally fine. You can also just get a yoga block from Walmart and it really works just as well. These are like $8, but you can make like 15 to 20 wedges from one. So make a bunch of them and sell them to your friends. If you're using the yoga block, you'll want to cut it into a small rectangular shape so that it's easier to work with. Then what we want to do is just lightly score with the razor blade where we want our cuts to be. You want to mark 4 corners and then connect them with a light scoring. Then once you have your corners the way you want them, you can make your big cut. Again, you can use a sharp knife for this or a long razor blade, but I like to use a hacksaw just because I don't have to use much force and I know that the blade is long and straight, so I'm less likely to screw it up. All right, once we're done with that, then we'll clean up our edges a little bit. And remember, this doesn't have to be perfect because it's all soft foam, so even if there's sharp edges, they're not gonna really matter. All right, now we need to try it out. This feels pretty good. Typically, I would shave a little more on one side of the wedge to pull the handle in a little bit, but because of the shape of my particular holster, it already kind of shifts the wedge in the right direction. All right, now that I have it where I want it, it's time to secure it with Velcro. This Velcro also came with my KSG Armory holster, but you can also get these small pieces of Velcro at a place like Hobby Lobby. I also want to make sure that the sharper side of the Velcro is facing away from my body. All right, now I'm gonna line up exactly where I want it and attach it. And this stuff is super sticky, so if you make a mistake, it's probably gonna stay there. And there you go. All right, I'm pretty happy with how this turned out. You can see that it is pulling the rear of the gun in toward my body, and because of the slight angle, it's pulling the handle of the gun in as well. All in all, I'm really happy with the way this turned out, and I'm excited for the extra comfort and concealment. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know in the comments how yours turned out. Until next time, stay alert, stand firm in your faith, be men of courage, be strong, and let all that you do be done in love. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.